Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the Daily Options Trade. Today, LAZR has moved up quite a bit, and that's good. So I want to try to capitalize on that while I can. Options expiring this week, so let's try to roll. Roll, baby, roll. Alright, let's see if we can get a credit for that while we're at it. Alright, so we're rolling out about, oh, that's too far. This looks like the maximum that I can roll is the 25th. Alright, well, this is it. See if we can get a credit here. Let's go a little under because I never have a lot of luck with these fills at Tastytade for some reason. Okay, looks good. Submit. Of course, it didn't fill immediately. I don't know what it is about Tastytrade, but I don't really get good fills. Look at this. Mid's 40 and my limit's 31 and I can't get a fill. Come on, guys. Get your act together. I like the application, the desktop app. I like the mobile app. But I really don't like the way they fill. Come on, Tom. Get your act together over there. Help me out. Alright, well, it doesn't look like it's going to fill. I'm just going to let it go, because we still got a couple days to expiration. Today's only Wednesday, expires Friday. So, whatever. I'm just going to let it ride. See if it'll fill some point today. Hopefully it will. Next one. Alright, so that still hasn't filled, but we're going to move on to the next one. This one expires also on Friday. See if we can get any credit out of this. See what we can squeeze. Go out to the monthly, it's 50 cents. It's not bad. $1? Wait a second. Wow, for another week? Double the credit? Wow, that's pretty good. Let me, hold on, let's explore this some more. Okay, now it's going down. Okay, let's go back to here. This looks like pretty promising. Let's go down to 150. Just because Tastytrade hates me. Let's try to fill that. Alright, what do we got? Oh, of course, it jumped down immediately. So that must have been a fake number they had out there. Okay, yeah, I thought so. That was way too good to be true. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay, well, I tried, right? So what is it really? 125? Let's go 120. Let's try that. Still not bad. Alright. There we go. Look at this. Look at LAZR. Mid's 45. My limit's 31 and it still didn't fill. Come on, guys. What the heck? I'm chasing this other one down. What's going on? Really unhappy with Tastytrade. I'm about to move my account. I'm about done. About done with these chuckleheads. What do you guys think? Have you guys had luck with these guys or what? I mean, I really like the concept. I love the trading. I love to watch their show. I love Tom Sosnoff and watching. He's a super awesome expert options trading. But man, I have a hard time getting good fills. I don't know why. Look at this. Okay, mid is 55. My limit's 31. I can't get a fill. What the heck, guys? Alright, I'm done. Whatever. I'm just going to let these ride out for the rest of the day. See what happens. Alright, guys. Be sure to subscribe. See how this works out. Let me know in your comments below if you guys like Tastytrade or not. I like most of their stuff. It's just the fills really frustrate me. You can tell. Alright guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.